Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2014 Buick Enclave Premium Group, stock number Z8349A. 68,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Enclave brand new, white diamond in color. The Enclave is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seat 7 with a leather interior. Bucket seats in the middle row, fixed skylight overhead with sunshade, rear audio as well as climate controls. Middle row seats will fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 3. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Power liftgate for convenience. Ample storage behind the third row. 60-40 split seat. Folds flat easily. Giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This premium group has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, Bose sound system, power seats, along with a power tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof, large, easy-to-read gauges, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel. Large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Navigation. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, and Stitcher radio apps. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. 3-zone automatic temperature control, heated as well as cooled front seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the center console. Large glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener, and power moonroof control. Under the hood, this Enclave has a 3.6-liter direct injection V6, 288 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 24 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires and new brakes. For more information on this Enclave, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.